Good thing I know your dad.
Wait. Where am I supposed to go?
Call your dad.
There's your boyfriend.
What? Where?
He just walked in.
Why do you say that?
Oh, come on. He comes in every day. He sits in your section. And now he's looking at you.
Stop looking at him.
Why? Is he taken?
I don't know.
Well, go see.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Well, that could be a loaded question.
What? Why would you say that?
Well, are you available?
What does that mean?
Well, do you have a boyfriend?
Kind of?
What do you mean, kind of?
I mean, I do have this one guy. We sometimes go to the movies and eat.
What's his name?
I don't think that's any of your business.
Because there is no guy?
That's not true.
Prove it. Tell me his name.
It's Bobby.
Bull. There is no Bobby.
Oh, really? Bobby!
What?
Never mind. See?
So, you are seeing that guy, Bobby.
Kind of. Like I said, we go out to the movies and we go out to eat sometimes. So, what can I get you?
I'll just have the usual.
All right, coming right up.
So, you were over there a little bit longer than normal.
I think he wanted to ask me out.
Really? What did he say?
He asked if I was seeing anyone.
And what did you say?
I told him I was seeing Bobby.
What? Are you crazy?
I mean, we do go out to the movies and to eat sometimes.
But you know as well as I do, Bobby's gay.
But he doesn't know that.
Hey, Dallas. Can you cancel that order?
Yeah, but how did you know my name?
It's on your name tag.
Oh, but I don't know yours.
It's Parker. Parker de Carlo III.
Nice to meet you. Did you hear that?
Parker de Carlo III.
Mm-hmm.
The richest family in the state.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Graham, I wanted to introduce you to my new deputy.
Hi.
This is Deputy Joe Travis, and he'll be checking on you from time to time.
Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from, son?
Well, I was born here. I moved to Texas when I was about 10, so I actually grew up there. And then I decided to come home and go to college at Mississippi State.
Oh, really? That's real nice. What did you say your name again was? Joe Travis?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, are you any kin to that country singer that had the stroke? What was his name? Randy Travis?
Yes, ma'am, just a little bit. We're distant cousins.
Really? Well, that's real nice.
Miss Graham, we need to go, but one of us will come back and check on you later.
Okay, nice to meet you. Y'all have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Breland Jones! What in the world do you think you're doing?
I'm just going to my truck.
Breland, you cannot be walking down the street with a loaded rifle in your hand.
It ain't loaded.
It doesn't matter. You can't be walking down the street with a weapon in your hand, Breland.
Okay. I just been to the gun shop and got it fixed. It ain't shoot right.
Yeah, look who's shooting you.
What?
Nothing, Breland. Take your rifle, get in your truck, and go home.
I'm going.
Before I put you under the jail.
Already been there. Remember, Sheriff, I had to work on your furnace.
Breland, go.
I'm gone.
Go.
I'm gone.
Okay. Lord have mercy. Some people's children.
Who was that?
Oh, that was Breland Jones. He's one of our local rednecks. He does a lot of hunting, but I don't recall him ever killing anything. Come on, let's go.
Willie, you so drunk. It's not even 2 p.m. yet.
I got a late start.
Guess who?
Bobby.
No. It's Parker.
I knew that. I mean, I saw you out the window. I was just actually messing with you.
So you were looking for me?
No, I was daydreaming.
Daydreaming about what? Me?
Don't flatter yourself. I was daydreaming about not having to work here anymore.
Do you not like working here?
Not really, but there's always Tori.
Hey, I'm Tori.
Hello, Tori.
And of course, there's Bobby.
What?
Yeah, can't forget about Bobby.
I just sometimes wish I could win the lottery or something so I didn't have to work anymore.
Or, now listen. You can marry me, and you'll never have to work again.
Are you crazy?
No. Why?
'Cause you just asked me to marry you, a girl you don't even know.
Well, I'd like to get to know you. At least go out with me first.
Fine. Call me.
Should I ask Bobby first?
What?
Nothing.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'll just have what he's having.
Alright, 2 meatloafs. Coming up.
So, did you hear about the McGuffey takeover?
No, what?
Parker, did you hear me?
No.
I said, did you hear about the McGuffey takeover?
The McGuffey takeover. Yeah, I had that one.
Really? That was you? Man, that was awesome.
Thanks. They actually needed it. I feel like I'm gonna make a really good one off of it. I got it for about 20 million. By the time we actually get it all fixed up, we'll be able to turn it around for about 100.
You the man, Parker. You the man. Man, why do you eat lunch here every day?
Alright, so Bobby says that we're out of the meatloaf plates. Will pork chops do?
Will pork chops do what?
Jeff, this is Dallas. The actual reason I eat here every day.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
We're getting married.
You're crazy.
What was that about? She's cute and everything, but...
But what?
You know.
I know what?
She's a waitress.
And what does that have to do with anything?
Look, man, let me set you up. Lisa Carlisle. She's single, and her daddy owns Carlisle Industries.
But I want her.
Parker, are you out of your mind?
Shut up, Jeff! If you can't be supportive, you can get the hell out.
Is everything okay, Parker?
Yeah, actually, can you cancel those orders? I actually have to go.
Okay.
Hey, sweetie. How was work?
It was okay, I guess.
What's the matter?
I'm just tired, that's all.
Well, just go to bed and get some rest, baby girl.
Not that kind of tired, Dad.
What do you mean?
I don't know, just kind of tired of all of it. Working so hard and not having anything to show for it. And ever since Mom died, you and I have been working really hard just to make ends meet.
I'm sorry. I'm trying.
Well, it's not your fault, Dad, I know. I love you. Oh, I gotta take this. I'll be in my room, okay? I love you.
I love you.
Hello?
Hey, beautiful.
Oh, hello, handsome.
Ooh, I like that. I could get used to hearing that.
Okay, slow down, Romeo.
It's cool. So what you doing?
Just got home from work. I've been talking to my dad.
Oh, so you live with your dad?
Yeah, since Mom passed, it's just been Dad and me taking care of each other.
Does your dad work?
Yeah, he's a maintenance man for Brookville Apartments. I feel bad because he works so hard and he never gets anything for himself. I mean, Dad and I just work all the time just to pay the bills.
Maybe I can get him a job at our company and double what he's making now.
Wait, can you get me a job too? Double my salary?
I told you, if you marry me, you'll never have to work again.
Parker, I hardly know you.
Okay. Well, let's go out tonight.
Right now, I just got home from work and I smell like diner food.
I love diner food.
I know. You eat there about every day.
So, take a shower and I'll pick you up about 7. Okay?
Okay, we can hang out. just hang out. I don't want to go to any club or anything. Also, better make it 6. I have to be in early. Got work tomorrow.
Just hang out. Got it. Why don't we drive down by the lake?
That sounds nice.
What's your address?
9092 Maple.
Okay. I'll see you at 6.
Jeff, come on in.
Yes, sir.
What can I do for you, son?
It's about Parker.
Parker? Is he okay?
Yes, ma'am. He's fine. I'm just worried about him.
What do you mean, Jeff?
He's been acting strange as of late.
What do you mean, strange?
He says he's going to marry this waitress down at the diner.
A waitress?
Yes, ma'am. He's about there every day. I went down there and he can't take his eyes off of her. He tells me he's going to marry her.
Well, no son of mine is gonna marry a waitress.
Dear, calm down. Calm down. Ain't nobody gonna marry a waitress. I'm gonna have a talk with him.
Well, you better, because if you don't, I will.
That's not all, sir. He yelled at me. He told me to get out.
That's not like Parker. Hell, y'all been friends since the 3rd grade.
That's right, sir. And that's what has me concerned.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it, Jeff.
Thank you, sir.
Go out tonight. I'll be in early though.
You got a date?
Not really a date, we're just hanging out.
Can I meet him?
Not right now. Let's see where it goes first, okay?
Okay, be careful.
I will be. You know I never had to wait in the truck. Love you.
Love you.
I was hoping to meet your dad.
Yeah, we can do that another time.
All right. Hey, I checked on that job for your dad. It's available, and actually I can start him out more than double than what he's making now.
Wait, really? But you don't even know how much he makes.
I called the apartments and asked.
And they told you? That's private information.
Well, I told them who I was and told them I was buying them out, and I needed all the salaries of all their employees.
And they believe that?
Well, yeah, because I did buy them out. Your dad works for me now.
How come every time I come hunting, I can't find nothing to shoot at? All my friends say I shot this and I shot that. Every time I come up here, I don't see nothing to shoot at. Huh. Well, buddy, hope you're okay. Hope that gunshot fixed you up. Sorry I dropped you on the ground last time. What was that? What's that? Huh. Ain't never seen that before. It's a cabin. Oh, man. I must be lost again. Why does it always happen to me? Where's my truck? Let me get out of here. Hope there ain't any bears out here.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. So honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
I really like it out here. So calm and peaceful. Sorry.
It's okay. I liked it.
Me too. So, tell me about yourself, Parker.
Well, I'm pretty boring.
Yeah, right. Are you a party boy?
No, not really. I like to have fun, but I'm not a big fan of crowds. Mainly just hang out with my best friend Jeff. We've known each other since 3rd grade, and we worked together at my dad's company together.
So, let me ask you something. Why do you work so hard? I mean, your family's rich, and I thought rich kids had it made.
Yeah, right. My family worked hard for what we have. That's why my dad makes me work for it. I do pretty well.
So, tell me about your work.
Well, it's kind of hard to explain. We buy or take over businesses or properties that may be going bankrupt or just out of business. We get them for a very low price. And then when we build them up, we sell them at a very considerably higher price.
Oh, okay, I get it. Kind of like the apartments where my dad works?
No, not really. We do keep some properties for money if we think it can make it. I think the properties, the apartments, is a good investment. Turns out they actually right now bring in about $300,000 a month. So your dad is actually getting underpaid for what he does.
Wow.
So, tell me all about you.
I've lived here my whole life. Graduated high school. Couldn't afford college after that, so...
So you went to work at the diner?
No. Actually, I've worked there since high school. About 6 years. Ever since Mom passed, and it's just been me and Dad. So... if you've been around... how come I haven't seen you until now?
Oh, well, I went to a boys' school in Chicago, and then went to college in Texas. After that, Dad put me to work at the Carlo Investments after I graduated. And one day, I walked into this little diner, and there she was, my future wife.
Stop it!
No, I mean it. I've never felt this way about anyone. And look, I know you hate your job. If you marry me, you'll never have to work again.
Oh, what the heck? Let's do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Sure, let's do it. Look, I'm happy that you can take care of me, but I'm not marrying you for your money.
Great. So when? And do you want a big, fancy wedding?
No, nothing big. Just something small with a few people.
And how about today at the Justice of the Peace?
Wow, that's really soon. Are they even open today?
I have a friend. He's a Justice of the Peace. We can do it at his house.
Let's go.
Okay, I'll take you home to tell your dad, and then we can go home and meet my parents.
Wait, you live with your parents?
No, I'm at my parents' home. I have a home in Cambridge.
Cambridge, nice. Let's stop by the diner first so I can quit.
How about we get married first and surprise everyone?
Not tell my dad? He would be really upset. I'm pretty sure he would kill me.
What if he tries to talk you out of it? It's better to ask for forgiveness than permission.
Okay. Whatever, let's do it.
And hey, I don't have a ring yet, but I promise to get you one soon.
Okay.
Hey, man.
Well, hey, Parker. What y'all doing here?
This is Dallas.
Hi.
Oh, nice to meet you.
We're here to get married.
Y'all looking to get married? Okay, well, come on in. Let's get some paperwork going.
What are you doing here? You don't have to work tonight.
I'll tell you in a second. Where's Mr. Tate?
He's over there. Why?
1 second.
What was that about?
I quit.
What? You serious?
I got married.
Married? When did this happen?
Parker said if I married him, I'd never have to work again, so...
Parker de Carlo III. That guy that comes in here all the time?
Yes. We went down to the Justice of Peace and we got married, so... Now I'm Mrs. Parker de Carlo III.
So, why no $1 million wedding?
I told him I didn't really want a big ceremony. I didn't want people to think I married him for his money.
So, where's the groom?
He's right over there. He's waiting until I get done so we can go and tell my dad and then go and meet his parents.
So, no prenup? What about a prenup?
Tori, I'm not gonna ask him to do that. He didn't ask me to sign anything.
You need to sign something so that if it ends, you get something.
I'm not gonna do that.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Don't worry, I'll come and visit all the time and we'll still hang out.
You better.
Bye, Bobby!
What?
Hey! What's your name?
You can call me Deputy Travis.
Oh, okay. Where's Sheriff at?
Well, she's busy right now, but can I take a message for you?
Oh, yeah. Tell her Tell her I came by. And tell her I was hunting in Booger Woods. You know, past old man Kelsey's farm, where Rafe Hollister had his steel. She'll know. Just tell her I was hunting, and I came upon a cabin. And I ain't never seen that cabin before. I don't know. Okay, so tell her, it's important.
Sure.
Tell her I saw it, okay? Thank you.
Hey, Dad. This is Parker de Carlo III.
Nice to meet you, son.
Nice to meet you.
Funny you said son.
What's so funny about that?
Well, Parker is now your son-in-law.
Are you kidding me, girl?
No, Parker and I just got married, actually. We went to the Justice of Peace and had it done today. Dad, are you okay?
Not really. I didn't even know you were dating.
We weren't, sir. But I go to the diner and eat just about every day, and I kind of just fell in love with your daughter.
Parker's family owns DeCarlo Investments, and they actually bought out the apartment you work for, and he's more than doubled your salary.
So what does that have to do with the marriage?
I told her if she would marry me, she would never have to work again.
Plus, I really fell in love with his charm.
So I guess this means you'll be moving out?
Yeah, will you be okay living on your own?
Yeah, I can start dating again.
That's good, Dad. And I'll understand completely.
I love you.
I love you too. Come here. I'll be back in a few days to get my stuff, okay?
I'll have her back in a couple days, sir. We're gonna go talk to my parents, and then we're gonna go plan our honeymoon.
I love you.
Love you too.
Have you talked to your son yet?
No. What do you mean my son? He's your son too.
Yes, but it's mostly your son when he's being hard-headed.
Well, we're gonna find out what's going on when he comes by.
Well, you really need to talk some sense into him. He simply cannot marry a waitress.
I think I hear his car pulling up now.
Hi, Dad. This is Dallas.
Hi.
Barber, can I speak to you alone, please?
Okay, but
Now, please.
wait right there. I'll be right back.
Okay.
So, Jeff came by.
And what did he want?
Well, he told me and your mother you were talking about marrying a waitress from the diner.
And what's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? She's a waitress. Parker, you cannot marry a waitress.
And why not?
Because she's
She's what, Mom?
because she's poor.
Son, let me try to talk some sense into you.
What's that supposed to mean, Dad? Are you saying I'm being ignorant?
No, you're not ignorant, but I'm just gonna tell you flat out. You're not marrying a waitress. We don't need any more trouble like last time.
You can't tell me who to love, Dad.
No, but I can damn sure terminate your job if you do.
Hey, what happened?
Let's go.
Wait, what happened? What's
go.
wrong? What's happened?
Nothing.
Okay?
Let's go.
Seriously, what's wrong?
I need to stop by and see Jeff.
Okay. Yeah, I really think you need to apologize.
Yeah, right.
Come on in, dude.
Mouth shut.
So is everything okay now?
Yeah. Everything's fine.
Okay, that's good. Is everything okay, Parker? I mean, you haven't said much the whole drive over here, and how did your parents react to us getting married?
I didn't tell them.
Why not?
Just shut up! Just shut up.
Okay, I'm sorry. Where are we?
This is my cabin.
Ooh, a romantic cabin in the woods.
Yeah, something like that.
Pushing up.
Yeah, the bedroom's back that way.
Alright, you come in soon?
Yeah, I'll be in there in a few.
Alright. See you soon, hubby. Parker, why did you do?
Why? Why? Because of you, I could lose everything.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Of course you don't understand. You're just a poor dumb waitress.
Please don't say that. Well, what can I do? What can I do to make it better? We can get an annulment, and I won't even tell anyone about this.
Tell anybody about what?
This. Just please let me go.
Oh, you aren't going anywhere.
Parker, no, please, no! Parker, please, stop it! Please, no more.
Second day out here and I still ain't seen nothing to shoot at. Hey, there's that cabin again. There's a truck there now. Oh, somebody's coming. In the woods and I came upon this woman screaming.
Breland, now you know it's probably a screeching owl. They always sound like women screaming.
No, I was over there and didn't your deputy tell you what I told him yesterday?
I'm sorry, I forgot.
What are y'all talking about?
Well, I was hunting in Booger Woods and I ended up over by old man Kelsey's farm and there was a cabin and I heard this woman screaming and then I saw a man walk out of the cabin and he drove off. So I went up to the cabin and I didn't see nothing, but I heard the lady go, help me. And then I came to get you.
Breland, if you were all up in the woods, how are we supposed to know where it is?
But it got to be a road because the man drove off.
All right, well, we're going to get... No, wait. We're gonna ride with you. My car's way down there.
All right, come on.
Let's go.
No one can hear you screaming and yelling from all the way out here.
Please! Please help me!
Would you like to know where I've been?
I don't care!
Well, you should. I stopped by those apartments that your dad works at.
Leave him alone!
I had him fired.
I'll...
What do you think about that?
I'll kill you! I'll kill you! Let me out!
Oh. And we aren't really married, by the way. My friend Bill isn't actually a justice of the peace. I made a fool out of you. You really think I'd marry a poor waitress?
Stop right there! Sheriff's Department!
Real steady and close your left eye. She said, Daddy, I'm scared, and she started to cry. He said it's something you need to learn. He didn't say why. She rode shotgun when he went to work. She learned to drive drive a stick and change a tire on a truck. That girl could run a tractor and kill a buck. It wasn't about making him proud, she didn't know it wasn't always easy, but she went with the flow. And over time, her strength and confidence would grow. She ain't frail or fragile, daddy raised her up right, respects herself and others, ain't afraid of a fight. If you raise a hand to her, boy, I wish you luck. The girl ain't never had to wait in the truck. Mean old world out to take advantage of a pretty young girl, and daddy won't always be there to help her through. So you teach them what you can and you send them on out to find out what this life's all about. You hope